Hello everyone, this is Bhakti Savar, host of Unique Achiever. So today's topic is we are going to discuss about how to handle exam stress and time management. So as you all know, the exams are approaching. Some students are in pressure. Where to start, when to start, and what time has to be allotted. As they study, they think that they give too much time in one subject and then they get bored. So here they need guidance, and that for that we have Shubhangi Pradeep Amonkar, who is a teacher and who has experience of 26 years, who teaches at Sri Shantadurga High Secondary School, Picholing. So teacher, can you guide us? What do you mean by teaching philosophy?
As an educator, I firmly believe that a good teacher does more than just teach. They inspire, motivate, and shape the lives of their students. Teaching is not just about imparting academic knowledge or preparing students for a profession. It is about equipping them with the confidence to overcome their fears, face challenges, and develop a competitive yet optimistic spirit. True education empowers students to become strong, resilient individuals who can navigate life with determination and grace. Every child is unique with their own strengths and potentials. Like gifts wrapped in different layers, they unfold their talents at their own pace. What they need is someone to believe in them, to push them forward, and to inspire them to bring out their best. A great teacher recognizes this and plays a crucial role in shaping young minds, nurturing their abilities, and guiding them towards success. A teacher is not just an instructor, but a mentor, a motivator, and a role model. By fostering a love for learning, instilling values, and encouraging creativity, a teacher helps students grow into a well-rounded individuals. Teaching is therefore a noble responsibility, one that has the power to transform lives. Let us, as educators, continue to inspire and uplift our students, helping them become the best version of themselves.